Proportional Relationships Worksheet, question 28. Jason and Emma are taking pictures on their school trip. Each student used a different way to show the relationship between the number of hours taking pictures, X, and the number of pictures taken, Y. Explain and show how you know that Jason and Emma took the same number of pictures per hour. There's that word per again. So per means we need to find the unit rate. Per means we need to find the unit rate. Now this problem's a little different. It's telling us that Jason and Emma took the same number of pictures per hour. They have the same unit rate. So in the end, our unit rates should be the same because that's what it tells us it will be in the actual problem. So let's start with Emma. All right. Again, I'm going to use the smaller numbers. I'm going to use the smaller numbers. You could use any one. And if you want to, go for it. If you want to use the 8 and the 400, that's fine. Now we're finding pictures per hour. So pictures are going to go on top. So for Emma, her rate would be 150, and I'm just going to put pics. 150 pics in 3 hours. 150 pics in 3 hours. All right, divide that. Well, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this would be 50 pics per hour. So 150 divided by 3 is 50. So that means Emma's unit rate is 50 pictures per hour. Emma's unit rate is 50 pictures per hour. For Jason, we have to use this chart, or the graph. Now remember, the trick for the graph is find, if you can, find the 0 for the x coordinate, or sorry, find the 1 for the x coordinate and draw a line up to the graph, which is what I did. And then I'll draw a line over. So that would be 50 pics. How do I know? Because the y-axis represents pictures. So 50 pics in 1 hour. So for Jason, his unit rate is 50 pictures per hour. 50 pictures per hour. Did we get the same number? Yes. 150 divided by 3 is 50. You could have done 250 divided by 5. 250 divided by 5 would be 50. 400 divided by 8 would be 50. And we actually could have used a lot of different points here. We could have used 150 and 3. 150 divided by 3 is 50. But in the end, both Emma and Jason have a unit rate of 50 pictures per hour. So in the problem, it says explain and show how you know. Well, what we did there was we showed. We showed Emma's unit rate. We showed Jason's unit rate. So our explanation would be Jason and Emma took the same number of pictures per hour, so 50 pics per hour, because their unit rates are equivalent. We know they took the same number of pictures per hour because their unit rates are equivalent. Pause your video. Make sure you have everything written down. Everything. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask.